Hello, everybody. Welcome to another Friday night or morning stream, depending on where you are. I decided to do something a little different today. It's come to not pop me in and out of existence the whole time. Because I've been a little frustrated with the C++, but I've got to go back to it and do some more C++ soon. So I'll probably do some of that this weekend. But I wanted to play around a little bit with bringing some critters into the world and having them run around, and just playing with AI states and AI behaviors. I decided that I wanted to use the new state tree in Unreal, and of course, as one does, I jump in to the deep end, and so we'll see how that goes. Whether I know anything about what I'm doing, at least I can read documentation, so we'll do that, and we'll take it from there. So let's see how AI behaviors go. I'm going to do that, and there we go. Put me on the is that bigger? That is bigger. Oh. Let's see if I can look at that. That is exciting. Okay. Alright. So as you can see, we have the state tree, and it says the first 60 minutes. I don't think this is going to take us just 60 minutes, but we'll see how it goes. First thing to look at is our plugin setup, and I've here, let's bring that onto the screen, and look at the state tree. You can see that I have the state tree and the gameplay state tree enabled, and that means that we can use these controllers. Now, what I'm going to try and do, I'm going to see if this works, is I'm going to try and animate that little guy. Well, not just animate that little guy. Oops. I'm going to try and make him pick a random location on screen, and then on the plane, and then move towards that random location. So I've already added a nav mesh bounds to this area, and you should be able to see that it's not covering the whole area, and this is just the starter level, so nothing to see here. And I have set up a basic animation blueprint, which I hope my camera isn't frozen on the screen. Anyway, which if you find our little squirrel, there we can see he's idling right now. Right. So that is that. Okay, so now I have that window, that window, and now the basic AI controller. I've started doing something, but I don't think I should be doing this in event tick, so we're going to hold off on carrying on with that. And here's our basic animation blueprint, and literally it checks whether the squirrel is moving or whether it's not moving to determine whether it should take blend space. If we go take a look at the blend space, I actually don't know what the blend space looks like. There's our blend space. Let's see, control. And there's our squirrel running. Okay. Alright, so we're going to see if we can. Oops. Let's see if we can make him run. Okay. What do we think? Alright. Good. Okay. So Go back to our article with our million tabs that are open. And something else, this is not intended for noobs like me. Right, here we go. There's some terminology. We'll come back to the terminology when we don't know what things mean. Please ask the root node. Child nodes are evaluated from top to bottom. If the child state has an enter condition and the condition is checked, etc. So it works like a basic state tree or a state machine. Try children, try following transitions. Okay. We're going to basically replicate this because it feels fairly close to. It's kind of wander around the levels. We're going to start with that, and if this time we may eat some of we might implement some of these other states as well. Okay, so there's add the states to the state tree and organize them into a template. But okay, so let's start by we're going to go add a state tree. Okay, let's go in and let's go here and creatures here and additional changes. State tree. Okay. Let's see what else it could be here. Sorry, there's camera director state tree and interaction state tree component and state tree AI component. Okay, that's interesting. Let's make sure that it shows the right schema. They are saying we want the AI component, so let's see how much we want. Okay, not on the right project. I'm still not on the right project. Here we go. This project. State tree and alrighty, I'm gonna just call this AI okay, and we'll add our states. So let's go back and look at that. Danger, flee, assess, watch, peaceful, wonder, gaze, idle. Okay. So danger, flee, threat, that's right. So danger, flee, right. Okay. So this one needs to be there, and there, and watch. And we want hold. So situation, which is going to be here, and this one above, there we go. And another state, which is a peaceful state. Grace, I'll go back into happy, idle, I think wonder. Okay, and because the order I think matters, it's wonder, grace, idle. Okay, so wonder, grace, idle. Cool. We'll look at our states. Okay, alright. Okay, so we want to go into the theme. So we're going to go into details, property, okay. Alright, so that's default color. We want to make that. Okay. That's interesting. To the right of the Not reading this properly. Okay. Each state has a color property. Create a new color theme by pressing the plus button to the right of colors in the asset details panel. Okay. Here we go. Alright. Come up. Here we go. Theme, here we go. Colors. One set color. And danger. Peaceful. Okay. Danger. Red. No, very red. No, red. Red is good. Green is okay. Peaceful. Full green. Blue. Oh, okay. If you can notice it, change to danger, look at that. Amazing. Very green. Okay. Nope. It's still staying installed, so I don't know if it's actually broken on the stream, so I'll check it out. Okay. Yeah, the camera is forked on stream. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so the camera is forked on stream. Should we mess around with the camera for a second and see if we can get it to work again? Maybe a different camera. That one really works. Let's try it again. Okay. Seems to be working again. Looks like it's working again. Let's go to that one. Nope, slow bugger. Let's change it again. Visible. Okay. Let's see if that works. It stays working. Alright, so we have created our root states, and let's see, they're adding behavior to states like tasks. Okay, starting to load behavior. It's time to add, so that means tasks. Select the wonder state and add a task by clicking the plus button for tasks in the detail. So here's our wonder. Under tasks, we're going to click plus. We create a loop to task. And okay, so that says it's automatically bound to our AI controller, and that's fine. With the task, file location. Okay, random location, open the content browser, the password of state tree, task group in place, and call in skip task to get to the location. Okay. So then go here. face. Okay. Right. We add a variable that is actor, and its type is it's going to be that. Right, after object type, yes, and we want it's instance editable, should be okay. Let's see, we can change the context to category to context. Oh, okay, that's good. Okay. Location, that is the vector. Distance is float, and that one's context is object. That one's context is group. Right. Alright. Go into state. Get random location radius. And so that's our point. Random location and navigable radius. That seems like the right thing. We're going to take the actor we're going to say that function. Radius, it's radius. That's fine. Property. Yeah, right. Seems good. See if we get here. Distance away, distance, and we want to set the location. Okay. So we just go there. Good deed. Alright. Inverted task, find the destination. So we can go back to this task. Do something down here. That seems like the thing, but that's interesting. Okay, so we need to so that one. Let's just see, can we yes we can, there we go. Looks like we can move it to the top. There we go. Remove that now. We can say, oh, that's cool, you can use a target actor as well. Okay, that's fun. I just need to figure out, say 100, okay, I don't know how to do that. Let's say something good. Okay, move to destination. Okay, let's see. Where's the task? Let's move to destination. So look at that. Oh, okay. Alright, that's interesting. Okay, we created a custom AI controller. We already have our AI controller. Here's our AI controller. We don't need it on tick. So we need to add a variable. We don't need that on tick. Let's see. Okay, so state the AI. Add a new component. Component. Okay. Here. State true AI. So we want. That's okay for now. And we already have this one, so that's okay. Any kind of herbivore. You on here. We're saying logic. Okay. Start logic. Alright. Okay, good. Now, let's see. Okay. Alright, that looks good. So let's analyze this. There's our squirrel. Let's see if this works. Apparently not. Nope. Oh wait, I have a suspicion. There's a squirrel blueprint. That would be quite the common mistake. There's a squirrel, that's animation blueprint. There's a squirrel. Its controller. Where is its controller? Here's controller. Controller class is I'll do that. I think I did. Oh. Nope. Okay, what about us? Let's see if I missed something. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm not sure I'm following that point. You're right, it's something I need to address. View. Okay, this is getting passed in, so it's not view. It must be view. Schema, controller. Here's that. Okay, so we want to force it into the case first, which means I have to go to disable that step. Alright. Good key. Okay, so now feels like we have as much as we need to be able to run this test. Oh, it's still not doing anything. Why isn't it doing anything? Come, squirrel, we want you to run around. Okay, so it says that we should be configuring the state So interestingly, then we're not doing this on okay. So got that. So now controller, let's make active class. Let's just make sure that that isn't active before that. Put in the scene because I'll get that up because it's using the same. But yeah, it is the squirrel. Alright, so it is the squirrel. Let's go back and check out our squirrel's setup. Let's decide that. Can I put navigation generation? That's a thing, so let's see what I can check out. This okay, so okay, but that's also fine. so we do need to set the controller class, that's fine. So here, do need to set the controller, and is that the controller actually made? Yes. Okay. Yeah, set that. Okay, let's make sure I don't stuff that up. Let's see what I can tell you. Okay, let's get a state tree to set up any precision, which is really good. So, let's test. Instead of that, let's take a look here and see when we run it. States are being executed. I don't see when our states are being executed. I don't know. I don't see anything happening. Try select children in order, so it should try select children in order, and it is not doing anything here. Very nice. Reset up. Distance is set. Location is set. Stop everything. Let's take our player controller. Let's move our player controller to there. So we don't have to turn around to see when it press play. Now it does not look like our AI is doing anything. We do have an AI controller. A squirrel. So what are we doing now? I don't think it's not telling me much. Okay. Interesting. And where is this easy as my box? Right. I don't think I did anything wrong. Class of children in order, class of children in order, into conditions, there shouldn't be anything, so what am I see? Here's some root, and that's all I sort of configure this testing, peaceful, we should make it down to start after this table. Different information root to right. Okay. Let's say what so missing? What am I missing? This one, log C, do that, do that, do that, destination is that, followers, let's just check this, double check it, location, again, get the vector, set the destination, make sure the data is correct, and then click on location, everything seems to be set up, okay, that's interesting. So I could just move on. So what am I missing? What am I missing? Super format. I'm doing this one. Yes, it's essentially like it's actually videos. Second one. And what I want to do is just don't do anything else now. Let's get it later. I wanted to check out the view. We are interested let's make sure that function is correct. Yeah, it looks okay. So then we put that in there. Maybe there's something I'm doing wrong and not doing it right. Maintain distance just want to make sure that there isn't like something that's changed now that says there needs to be an output parameter or something like that. It's categorized as output, entry only. Let's just creative users add presentation, instance category, and in the output category, which in essence is what I do. Right? I have an output that matters, but different here, so I click on parameter, so let's test that, test that, let's see any way to debug this. Is it running? No, it's right now. No, it's not running. Let's just check that again. Okay, no, it's definitely not doing what we expect it to do. So, what we're going to do then is we're going to go into our thing here and into the task. Let's see if we can say put string thing. This is going to be location, okie dokie. Okay, so if it's hitting this, we're going to get a location dot. So that'll be the first instance. Oop, okay, it's doing that. So location, that's very well. Okay, so that's interesting. Why does it hit it so many times? Event interstate, reads the right event, let's make sure event interstate, get after location, distance away is the radius, random location is the location. Okay. Make sure that on you move to all of those are set, so for each test, blah, so why does it actually, it enters the state? Am I missing something? Add a new component, start logging. Yeah, so the one thing that I saw in here is start logic automatically. So it's like the logic has been called, so what we're going to do is we're just going to break that link, and let's start doing that, and file and run it. Yeah, so we're definitely getting locations, but the squirrel is not moving. That is interesting. Not fun one. Okay. But that also means that we don't need this because it is already been called, right? Right. Okay. So that's our state tree. Let's start with hello. Let's start with numerically. Gets the move to, so what if there's there we go, debug text task, test. I don't know what this is going to do. So let's see what it does. It's not. Okay. Plug. So let's clear this. Clear the log. Run it. Set it. Top. So the get random location gets called, but the next step, the move to step, is not being called. Okay, that's not fun. So move to is not being called. And so something that we need to change. AI controller is the AI controller. So let's see what happens if we move this to above the move to. No, let's pick that up as the out. So that will be positive. Okay, that's fine. Let's do this in red. Okay. Hang on, did I miss that? And this one says the target up there is 9. Okay, so all of that seems to be correct. For some reason we're not getting to here, because that is, as I thought, that is if you wanted to go to active. What could be interesting is if you have grazing spots or something like that, then you can actually say, go to the next grazing spot. But that is not the case, and go to our active log. I see their location is called no, we are entering that stuff. And we are entering this up. Here's our test. Here's our text. So our text comes up. Maybe I misinterpreted where the text would actually be. I think my stream is dying. Set up as video sets containing action blocks and starting for the behavior. I think that is basically what we've done. input. So test level, done. Maybe I messed up the node mesh. Maybe I've messed up the node mesh, so let's make sure that the node mesh is set up correctly. So keep on getting 3 streams starting and stopping. That's very annoying. Okay, so it's covering the whole area. Can we use the output yet? Other stupid setting. Yeah, I will not do that. So anyway, why it's not coming. Okay, that's interesting. So let's go take a look again here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move the debug text back to below the move to, because I wasn't looking at the right place for it, and as near as I can tell, it's not. Okay, so as near as I can tell, it is not running the move to. So okay, that's bizarre. Let's take those message logs out, because it's really kind of hard to know what you're doing. So yeah, we don't need that. Okay, we don't need that. Doesn't matter. The setting the location, the set as an output, distance is set in input, and the location is set as origin. Okay. In here our state tree is set to our squirrel state. Which is that. Okay then. We have state tree and components. PPL controller and squirrel. Right. And our object in the world is goofy squirrel. No, it's goofy squirrel. There's 2 of them. Okay, and that. Okay, and what else we need to check? Okay, so that. So making sure that those are set. That takes in the controller, and it takes in the location. You can set the parameter from outside. Okay. It's not filters, it's not tolerances. You're definitely coming in to here. It just doesn't seem to be executing this step, because if I execute this step, if I had it before, so why are you not executing? What is wrong with you? What is wrong? Okay, our AI controller is there, our complex IT process there, and our baby squirrel. Should always be possessed. Shouldn't make a difference. The air controller is in fact already being hit. So they are not moving. The location is safe, but it seems to not. I think it just loops through that thing, something like right here. So you don't need to do anything, I don't think, because you are being hit. But is it not completing the state? Why is it not? Why does it feel like there's something missing? Succeed when moves end at destinations, fail to keep move is impossible. Is there any way that one can is there a way to so what I'm wanting to see is whether the output of the move to is actually like if the move to succeeded, as it says, succeed when move ends at destinations, fails if move is impossible. But it feels like it's just coming in and getting a random location. It's like it's not actually staying in the state. Decision to root state. C. State, civil, civil. Okay. And let's see. At this point, it still looks the same. Okay, so if we go here, and go into grains, decision set. Succeeded, change decision to go to gray state. Okay, so I see. Okay, so we can go to decisions, on state completed, go to grades. that, but okay. Right. Let's go here. Okay. It's the right answer. Yeah, that's very frustrating. So, if random location succeeds, but the move to does not. Okay, so let's do something random. Start error. Root. Let's do right bottom. Nope. Why did it work? Oh, yeah, that was weird. Alright, so danger, error, okay. And in error, we are going to add a task which is normally going to place where the debug text task error, great, fine, okay, so pixel 0, 0, let's make it, oops, let's make it bigger, okay, and here, we're going to go constant fail, we'll do error, error state, and select it, should work, something. Should do something. Okay. Yeah. Error state being it's not printing error, so it's just not doing it here. Why is it not doing it here? Okay. That's very annoying. That is very annoying. Wonder state error with the selection behavior. Okay. Error. Okay, so okay, I want to okay, so I should go to file. Okay, and everything here, which is just the debug text, that's going to be grazing green, bigger, okay, so it jumps to the presence. I'm very confused. I'm very confused. I am very confused. That does, don't think it helps repeating the fact that I'm very confused. So, you say get the random location, move to the random location, and then go to the grazing. And it is getting the random location. And I don't know that there's a way to output the random location yet, or that we submit to screen and there was values in it. And move to doesn't move. So let's just go back to view. No, that's like to me. So let's put them back on the ground. Back on the ground. Oh, okay. That is very weird. So we know that it is getting the random location because we were printing out the message, and the message showed us a value. But we know that it's not passing past this piece because when I put a message after this, it does not print it. So why? Just for shits and giggles right now. And immediately goes into grazing. So it immediately goes back to the grazing state, or goes on to the grazing state. It does not go to our error state, so it doesn't fail. But it doesn't fail this step. I don't know. There our AI controller is set up. That is working. Well, everything seems to be working except for the move. Why is the move not working? Is something wrong with our AI controller? We're in socket. Controller. Start a logical start. Okay, that doesn't seem to be much player scanning. Now technical begin play. Default navigation filter class. Enable. Don't need to enable location. That's another thing. This form component. Another thing. State tree. Start logic automatically. It is doing the logic. Following the suppose that would take. Okay, I am confused. What of this is? We don't want input. We need that. That's its command controller. Like this controller, like that kind of thing. Okay, so that none of that is necessary. Alright, I'm gonna go and fiddle with this some more. This is very confusing because I feel like I'm not doing anything wrong. But maybe I missed a step. So let me go back through it. Let's see if I've missed a step. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. Hope you all have a great weekend. I will not be streaming next week Friday, but I will see about streaming sometime over the weekend next weekend, as I will be traveling on Friday, so I will be back on the ground on Saturday and see if I can stream better. Appreciate everybody hanging out, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.